but we especially love to learn.
So don't be a fuddy-duddy.
Come watch the Brainy Buddies.
You'll meet our friends, Dr. E and Mrs. P.
Stick around. This is a place to be.
How to make an English muffin pizza. Okay, so now that you know the ingredients, this is what we're going to do. But what's the first thing you have to do before you cook?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Lave sus manos.
Our hands are nice and clean. So we're going to take our English muffin
This is a piece of donut.
and separate it
Separate it.
so that you have two pieces like a pizza pie.
Ooh. Fresh English muffin.
We are going to open our pizza sauce, put it in a little cup, and then we are going to spread.
Is this for me to drink?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can.
Sorry. No, we don't do that. We're going to put it on the English muffin.
Yes, however much you like. Do you like a lot of sauce? Do you like a little bit of sauce? That's what you get to do with your sauce.
Are you a saucy person or a not saucy person? What's next?
The mozzarella cheese.
Yummy.
Again, you're going to put as much as you like on it. Do you like a lot of cheese? A little bit of cheese? And remember, we've already washed our hands. You can wear gloves as well.
A lot of cheese or little cheese? I want everyone that's watching to shout lots of cheese. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lots of cheese.
There we go. Look at that. Delicioso.
And are you pepperoni or are you just a cheese person? What do you like?
I think I'm gonna need everyone to shout lots of pepperoni.
Lots
Ready?
of pepperoni.
1, 2, 3. Lots of pepperoni.
All right, so there's your pepperoni. Now, if you're a kid, have your adults in the house help you because the next step involves the oven or a toaster
Oh,
oven.
mamma mia, it's getting hot in here.
Wait, is it from Mario?
It's a
Mario.
pepperoni.
So I think that looks good.
Very
You're all
good.
done. So now we're going to take this, we're going to put it in the toaster oven, heat it 350, and put it in for about 10 minutes or however crispy you like, and we'll show you what it looks like at the end.
Delicious. Oh, they look delicious.
Mmm.